Hey everyone, it's Claudette. Welcome back to the Greeting Farm channel. I've got a big kit to share with you. If you haven't already been following our social media, then you wouldn't have seen this. We've already posted it. This video is a little late. I just got this kit and the pre-order has already started. It started July 1st and it goes through the 7th, and I'll get into more details about the pre-order. But I wanted to do a quick showcase of this kit so that you guys can go pre-order it as soon as we're done here. So I'm not going to take too long. This kit is called One of a Kind, and it's with the bean characters. If you're wondering the difference between the bean characters and Anya and Ian, they're a lot smaller and they have stars in their eyes. So if you could see that, there you go. We could fit 12 of these on this 8.5 by 12 kit, and so we were able to fit 12. Normally I think it's 9 with Ian and Anya. So this is what I love about them. They're a little bit smaller, which I prefer, but nonetheless all the characters are really cute and I love them all. But like I said, we've got 12 of these beans here, and they are all in onesies, so they're in animal onesies, and we've got some sentiments and some elements to help you create whatever project you are doing. So let's quickly go over this kit so that I could get into the details of the pre-order. I believe this is a rabbit, monkey, a duck, a shark, dog, bear, cat, owl, pig, cow, bunny, and a fox. I do think this is a bunny. If not, I'll leave whatever it is up there. All right, and then we've got some sentiments. You are one of a kind, have a wild day, warm and fuzzy hugs, have some fun, and sleep over. And then we have some elements like a fish, a banana, a flower, honey pot, heart, bone, ice cream, carrot, and an alarm clock. Yes, and so that's what's in this kit. 12 beans, 5 elements, and then a whole bunch of 5 sentiments, and then a whole bunch of elements. Now the pre-order is, like I said, July 1st through the 7th, and today's the 2nd, so I won't be posting this till the 3rd, so this is late in the 2nd. And then, so the 7th of July is the last day to pre-order. It's at a pre-order price of $42, and the ETA for this kit will be end of July. Also, if you wait until you think it's going to be in the store, please don't wait, because we're not really sure. And if we do have some in the store, it will be $50 opposed to the $42 pre-sale price, and we're not always guaranteed that we'll have some in the store. So please, if you want to get a bang for your buck, please pre-order it, and making sure you have one or you're secured a kit. The best way to do is to pre-order it. If not, you may run the risk of not getting it. They go quickly. As soon as someone sees it in the store, they go ahead and snatch it up, and we never know how many we'll have left over once we send out the pre-order. So the best way is to pre-order it. I can't stress that enough. I know I've gotten emails and texts several times saying, you know, hey, I missed it. Is there any way I can get it? I am never alerted when the whatever's left from the pre-order goes into the store. So by the time I see it, it's either sold out or there's a few and people have already snatched it up, and when I send people over, there's none in the store anymore. So that's the best way to go about it. So anyways, this is the kit. I do plan on using this as a Halloween kit, opposed to you could do a slumber party invite, favors, and decoration with this kit. You could do, like, if you have a monkey themed birthday or a themed kind of birthday party or any parties, you can use this kit for it. But I think I'm going to use it for Halloween. I don't celebrate Halloween, but I do something like Harvest Festival kind of goodie giveaway. Anyways, this is available now for pre-order Make sure you don't miss out on it. It's till the 7th of July. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Alrighty, everyone. Have a good one. Bye.